What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to talk a little bit about do-it-yourself credit repair again. I've made videos like this in the past, and so the reason do-it-yourself credit repair doesn't work is because, let's say I sell you a bunch of letters. Let's just say I sell you rounds 1 through 10 for whatever the price may be. Okay, it's a templated letter, but the problem is, if you don't know which law to use, if you don't know how to factually dispute, if you don't know what Metro 2 codes to use, it's not going to work. And I could send you a list of several laws to use. Another B again tried to get me. But if you don't know how to word those laws in the dispute letter, then it's never going to work. And that's one reason why the do-it-yourself that we offer is us creating the letters for you and then emailing them to you to mail off to the credit bureaus. Now, the thing about that program is it's only $59.99 a month, but it does not come with a money-back guarantee. And the reason it does not come with a money-back guarantee is because, one, we're not faxing or uploading. Two, I'm not mailing it myself. So if you buy the do-it-yourself letters from me, I create them, send them to you, and you don't mail them off, then of course you're not going to get results, and there's no way for me to know that you actually mailed those letters off. So be careful when buying do-it-yourself kits, because no matter how much information they've put into those letters, if you don't know what law, how to factually dispute, or if you don't know about Metro 2 codes, you're not going to be able to complete the letter. Now, I do have something called the Secret Eliminator Kit that basically tells you which law to put for like collections, charge-offs, things of that nature. That I do offer if anybody's interested in that, doing it yourself. And it shows you how to do the CFPB complaints. It shows you how to do the FTC if you're doing inquiries that were unauthorized. The FTC report is only for unauthorized inquiries. I can't stress that enough. Or if you're an actual true victim of identity theft. So many people are doing those credit sweeps. Yes, they work. Yes, they're fast, but the items will return to your credit report 100%, I promise you. So if you have any questions about do-it-yourself kits or anything I said in this video, please leave them in the comments. I hope y'all have a great Sunday.